Good day. Kill Logic from the Kill Logic Effect. Today I wanted to talk about a Facebook tool that if you use Facebook, I'm not sure if many people know about this but I think if you do use Facebook, you should know about this, and that is the Facebook ad library. Now, just reading over what this is, the ad library provides advertising transparency by offering a comprehensive searchable collection of all ads currently running from across Facebook's products. Everyone can explore the library with or without an account. You can access all active ads, even ones that may not have been shown to you because you weren't part of an advertiser's intended audience. See data for all ads related to politics or issues of national importance. The library contains data on every active and inactive ad related to politics or issues of national importance that's run since May 2018. We'll keep each of these ads in the library for 7 years. I'm sure there's some financial reasons behind that. Explore and download the ad library report. We compile a weekly snapshot of data for ads related to politics or issues of national importance in the ad library report. Now, if you have ad blockers and stuff, it may affect some results and such. So if you're trying to get, correct data and stuff, I recommend shutting those off actually for once for this type of scenario. But if you're going to be a user of Facebook and you get bombarded with these ads with politics or whatever, I believe it's also important to know who's paying and who's shelling out this kind of money for these advertisements. Now, I'm not going to get into all the people because that's not what this is about. It's about the tool itself and figuring that out on your own and knowing that there is a tool that Facebook has actually provided for you. As far as Facebook doing stuff that's kind of somewhat, this is like a good thing. As good as you can be, I guess, if you're Facebook. So I hope this helps everybody. Now, you can search by name, topic, organization. You can just type in the name of a meme. Memes have money behind them. So yeah. Again, have fun. I hope this was helpful. And if you like this, if this was helpful, whatever, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and have a great day.